Come test drive the 2024 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.